recently graded. I gotta find this clip because 2 years ago I came down here with my GS, my 09 GS, I think, and this road dead ends, and there is a unmaintained road, and they're pretty clear about it. This is not this thing is you know, I wouldn't call it a piece of shit, but it's definitely, I mean, they've got some dirt up. You know, it's not cleaned up anymore. So I went down here a few hundred feet on my GSA and turned around. Painfully turned around too, I might add. And because I knew it was far exceeded the 600-pound GS. And this is a mud puddle. I mean, look at this. I'm soaking in like 4 or 5 inches. So I'll be here for a second. We'll see what we can find out here. But it's pretty though. There's gonna be a lot of bugs. I got about that far before, and then painfully, seriously, backed the bike out of here. Someone debated today. Just changed the oil yesterday. Air filter, oil filter, clutch fluid. Ooh, it's deep. And so I thought, there's that trail that I never got to explore. Let's see what's back here. There's also a new battery in this bike, which I'm not sure if I have the stamina to talk about it right now, but I bought a lithium-ion battery for this. There's a previous video showing like a 5-pound weight savings on the rear subframe from that battery. And it died and wouldn't recharge anymore. Is our house right there? No, I think we're good. It died and wouldn't recharge anymore. So I put my old stock battery back in here, but then I couldn't find the little tiny screws, the base plates that screw into the little tiny brackets that are rectangle. Couldn't find them. Tried to buy them. You can't buy them. 5x10 is the smallest I can get. These are like 4x8s. So I had to buy a new test battery for $30 just to get back on the road while my Ridden Forest, while my lithium-ion battery is being sent back to beta to be replaced under warranty. It's muddy back here. I honestly can't imagine anyone ever comes back here. I mean, this is nasty. Oh, bugs found me. Alright, let's go on the move again. Maybe we can not get too stuck. I hope this comes out somewhere. That's my vision. Serious fucking mud here. Look at that, just digging right into it, man. There we go. I should put one of yours in, actually. Oh, we got a tree in the way. Looks like it just fell over here. Oh, perfect clearance. Look at that. GS can't do that with a little bit of skills. Me with 0 skills. Did it just fine. Got a drainage pipe up here. There we go. There's a lot of shit in the road here. It is like just straight muddy. It is almost July. This trail should be pretty dry by now, but we have had a lot of rain the past few months. And this radiator's putting out some serious heat right now. Or where this comes out, more importantly. Oh, come on. Same clearance. Good job, buddy. Whew. Straight fucking mud. I'm just sliding in it. I keep looking around to see if there's any houses around me because I don't want to make too much noise. Whew. Oh yeah, we're going this way. Where does this effing road? There's still a rock wall over there, which is pretty cool to see. Those old rock walls are awesome. It's getting more and more like shitty the further we go. Whoa, that's some mud. Now, is there going up? Where are we going from here? It goes that way. Holy shit! Make sure our fan is working. Hope so, because the temperature keeps going up. There's a sign here. Northeast does not have that beautiful trail network. This is just a runoff. Oh, spider. Damn it. Hopefully this is the right direction because I don't want to come back up this thing. It is very slick. Absolutely not a GS trail without full amount of these and a lot of patience and sweat. This is why I bought the Beta. So far it's been a nice little trail, but coming to a clearing up here. Ooh. There we go. First on Harris. Harris bypass? Yep, we gotta go this way. I think. It's barely a trail here. I'll go on it a little bit, then I'll turn back around. Oh, here we go. Okay. Still a trail. Another tree down back here. Well, two trees. I didn't see this one. Oh, I broke it. Oh, that's one way to do it. Ooh, all right. Do. But you know, it would be way too hot. Yeah, maybe a friend would have been easier. while I've been trying to figure out what's going on with this GoPro microphone. So sometimes it'll just produce just straight static. Actually, the last 2 weeks it's gotten worse and worse and worse. So I think I need to buy a new one. I ride in the rain with it. That's probably the problem. But here's a minute of me talking because the static was so bad. I fast forwarded to these 2 tree clips because it's just embarrassing. Just really bad lines. You know, me by myself, no chainsaw, just picking bad lines, getting horrifically stuck. But it was a hell of a workout, though. Whew. Oh. Ugh. Oh, wait, there's a church road here. Fuck, man, that was hard. Okay. There's a lot of shit. I think we're okay. Wow. This is gonna make one hell of a property tax. This was just cleared out. Someone's gonna get one hell of a view for their house. But they clear cut it all the way down. There's no way they're putting a street in here. There's no way. This is one plot.